Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an important AI template, a new AI template added in tool. So that is called plagiarism reduction template. No other AI tool having this kind of plagiarism reduction template, only it has having paraphrase or rewrite template. So this template is specially designed to reduce plagiarism in your research paper. So you can access this template and you can reduce the percentage of plagiarism in your research paper very easily. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct a live MATLAB workshop of EV charging station with PV and wind energy sources. In this workshop, we are going to incorporate PV and wind energy as an input source, and we are going to implement different types of maximum power point tracking algorithm to grasp maximum amount of energy from that input renewable energy sources. After that, we are going to incorporate it with EV charging station, and we are going to make a power balance between EV charging station and the input sources. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So we are going to make a live MATLAB that is a workshop in Simulink model. So if you are interested in, so don't forget to register this online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, so go to LMS Research Support. So it leads to a website here. It is having different types of LMS AI templates. So these are the different types of AI templates. So here you can see these are the AI templates: summarizer, translator, grammar corrector, literature review, explain the table, generate MATLAB code, detailed literature review, chat with PDF text, plagiarism reducer, reference style converter, reference to content, paraphrasing, blog article, chat with paper, chatbot. So these are the different types of tool that we are going to propose for our research paper writing. So in this video, we are going to discuss about an important AI template called a plagiarism reducer template. So just to click on this plagiarism reducer template. So it leads to a dashboard like this here. So here you can copy and paste the content to reduce the plagiarism. So here in order to check this plagiarism reducer template, so what I am going to do is I am going to take a random content from internet. So this is the content I have taken. So this is the content which is taken from internet. So in order to check this one, I am going to check this that is check I am going to name it as check before plagiarism. Plagiarism check. So like that you can name. So I am going to check this document in Turnitin. So here I am going to use this document for in Turnitin. So just I am going to submit this document. So go to check one and name this document. After that you can go to desktop. So in desktop you can see that the document check before plagiarism. Upload that document. So click upload. So after that click confirm. Next give return to assignment list. So it will take several seconds to generate the plagiarism report. Check it by Turnitin. So let us see how much amount of plagiarism will be directed in this particular content. So here you can see that the plagiarism showing will be 99%. So I am going to open this plagiarism report. So here you can see this is the plagiarism report generated by Turnitin. So it shows a 99% of plagiarism. So as it is taken from that is internet sources, so it is showing that that is 99% plagiarism. I am going to download that report. So and save that report. Yes, your report is downloaded. That is your plagiarism report is downloaded. So this is your plagiarism report, and it is also showing that so where it is taken. So this is where the content is taken. So close that one. So go on to our plagiarism reducer template. So go to that page again. So here open the check that is this file we have checked for. So after that what you can do is, so you can open another new file. So copy that one, go to plagiarism reducer template, paste this one and click on reduce plagiarism. So if you done that is paragraph by paragraph, it will give better results for you. So copy the text and again copy the content in this document. So after that we can arrange it accordingly. So after that what you can do is do the same for all the paragraphs. So it will take several minutes to generate that. So after doing it for all the paragraph, I will show you that how it will work. So then copy the second paragraph. So after that go to the template again, paste here, click on reduce plagiarism. So yes, this is how the content is converted. So again go to that and paste again. So after that do that for every paragraph. So if you do that it as a paragraph, it will give very better results. I will show you at the end of the video by checking after plagiarism what will be the percentage will be. So here you can see that after plagiarism reduction, so this is the content I have taken. So here I have saved this file as after plag, that is plagiarism reduction. So let us check this for plagiarism, how much amount of plagiarism it will show. So go to Turnitin again. So and then what you can do is submit the document, that is after plagiarism reduction. So name it as after plag, and then you can choose the file. So here I have saved it as after plagiarism. So open that one, upload that one. So this is the file we are uploading after plagiarism reduction using the plagiarism reduction template. So let us see how this will generate plagiarism percentage for us. So let us see how it will works out. So here you can see that our plagiarism is reduced to 71%. So here you can click that plagiarism reduction. So here you can see that. So this is the report. So you can download the report again. So the main important thing is that without changing the core meaning of the content, we are reducing the plagiarism. That is very important. Some may give a template called a rewrite template or paraphrasing template, but the core meaning of the content will be changed. The important thing while reducing the plagiarism is that we have to reduce the plagiarism without changing the core meaning of the sentences. So that is very important while reducing plagiarism. So that can be done by using this plagiarism template. As we have checked for only for 4 pages, so it will be reduced around. You can see that 30% of plagiarism will be reduced in single change. After you can do it again, so it will reduce even up to 50%. So you can make use of this option called plagiarism reduction template. So the important difference between a paraphrasing or rewriting template and a plagiarism reducer template is that the important thing is that the core meaning cannot be changed, and for example, if you are doing research related with any of the topic, so while using paraphrasing or rewriting templates in any of the AI tools, so it will shuffle the sentences and randomly change the words also. So the important thing in this kind of plagiarism reducer template is that without changing the meaning of that particular or flow of the particular research, it will change or paraphrase the sentences. So it will give you a best results without any change in the particular thing. So that is particular content. So you can make use of this option plagiarism reducer in our research tool. So apart from this, as far as plans and pricing is concerned, so here you can see that. So here you can access our LMS AI basic plan. You can have unlimited access for the LMS AI basic plan templates for 7 days. So next, LMS AI Pro plan. So you can have unlimited access for LMS AI Pro templates at just ₹99. Next, LMS AI Ultimate plan. At just $199 you can have unlimited access for LMS AI Ultimate plan templates. So next one is LMS AI Premium plan. So here at $999, so you can have unlimited access for 1 year for all our templates. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. So thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.